How to create instrumental music in Suno AI Step-by-Step 2026. Have you ever wanted original, royalty-free background music for a video, podcast, or creative project, but did not want to spend hours in complicated music software? In this video, I am going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to create professional-sounding instrumental music in Suno AI using the latest 2026 features, even if you have zero music production experience. Suno AI is a text-to-music generator that turns simple written descriptions into fully produced tracks with drums, bass, melody, and optional vocals. For instrumental music, Suno has a dedicated instrumental mode that strips out all vocals and focuses purely on the music. This is perfect for YouTube background tracks, study beats, podcast intros, and cinematic scores. Step 1. Create your free account. Head over to suno.com and sign up using Google, Discord, or your email. The free tier gives you about 50 credits per day, enough to generate roughly 10 tracks while you learn the platform. Step 2. Open the Create page and switch to Custom mode so you get full control over style and structure. Step 3. The most important step, turn on Instrumental mode. Look for the instrumental toggle near the top of the creation panel and switch it on. Leave it off, and Suno will add AI vocals that you do not want. Step 4. Write your style prompt using the GMIV framework, which stands for genre, mood, instruments, and vocals. For instrumentals, describe your genre, your mood, the tempo and BPM, and 2 to 4 specific instruments. A solid example is lo-fi hip-hop, chill and moody, 85 BPM, soft piano, warm bass, vinyl crackle. The more specific your prompt, the better your result. Step 5. Add structure tags. Even for an instrumental, drop in tags like intro, verse, chorus, bridge, and outro in the lyrics field. This tells Suno how to arrange the track. For a smooth ending, add fade out at the bottom. Step 6. Generate and refine. Click Create and wait 30 to 60 seconds. Suno will give you 2 variations. Use Extend to keep building a longer track, or Remix to swap instruments while keeping the core melody. For post-production, Suno Studio can even split your finished track into separate stems for drums, bass, and melody. Now here is the pro tip. Use negative prompting to keep unwanted sounds out. In your style description, list the genres and instruments you do not want, such as no vocals, no heavy metal drums, no acoustic guitar. Suno listens to these instructions and keeps your track focused and clean. To wrap up, Suno AI lets anyone generate studio-quality instrumentals in minutes. Sign up, switch to custom mode, toggle instrumental on, write a specific GMIV prompt, add structure tags, and generate. That is the full pipeline from zero to finished beat. If this tutorial helped you, hit like so more creators can find it. Subscribe for more AI music and creator workflow guides, and drop a comment telling me, what kind of instrumental are you going to create first?